Grandma.
That's an awfully big piece, buddy. It's like it'll all fit. Yum. I would have given up by now and used my hands. I almost got it. What do you say?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy day.
Happy day. Good job, buddy. And you need to eat your cake.
True.
2.
Bye.
Big bite.
I'm done.
You're all done?
Yeah.
I'm done. Okay. Up on down. Can you do a silly dance? Good job.